Hey guys, Becki-licious here, and today we're getting our pork on, so let's get to it. So today we are going to try a slow roasted honey glazed pork. It sounds really, really good. So I already have a little pork roast, which is just perfect, but first we're going to get this marinated, and then we'll be baking it later, but first we're going to score it. So we're going to go across the fat, because that's the part we want to get all nice and yummy. That's where all your flavors come from. Is from your fat, just so you know. And don't try to tell me differently. Let's get this marinade ready. So we're going to do some soy sauce and some sugar and then some garlic. So we're just going to get this all mixed up, and then it'll be time to put that pork in here. We've got the marinade all ready for this honey glazed pork that we're going to do. So we are just going to put our pork in. I'm going to put the fat side down first to let it get some of those juices, because we want this all in all the little nooks and crannies. So now all we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and cover this, and then we're going to throw this in the refrigerator for probably about an hour, at least an hour before it's time to throw it in the oven. But before I do that, don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends and click on the link me for some other fun stuff, all right? All right, our pork has been marinating in this yummy, yummy sauce for over an hour. I've turned on the oven. We're only doing 275 because this is a slow roasted. So let me do this a couple of turns just to get more of that marinade. I've already been turning it around. And then we're going to throw this over here. Look at how yummy that looks. I'll try to get a little bit more of that marinade in the little cracks and crevices. There we go. All right, first part of our baking for this slow roasted honey glazed pork is going in at the 275 for an hour. See you back here in a little bit. Just pulled this pork out of the oven. I've got the oven cranked up, because it's going to go back in at 500 degrees, but we have got to make the glaze. Glaze made up. It's very simple. It is just brown sugar and honey. Doesn't get any easier than that. This glaze is all nice and thick and ready. So now we are going to make sure it gets in all those cracks and crevices. Look at that. Now I'm not going to use quite all of this glaze. I don't want it to just burn up in the oven, so we will reserve some of it for when it first comes out, and then we'll just put a little bit more on top. So, oh, this is going to be good. This slow roasted honey glazed pork is ready to go back in the 500-degree oven. Super, super hot. It'll be in there for about 15 minutes or so, so I'll see you back here in a bit. Looks and smells absolutely amazing. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Look at that. All right, we are ready to plate this puppy up. It's time to eat some dinner. Dinner is served. Slow roasted, honey glazed pork. Doesn't that look absolutely amazing? Little potatoes on the side, little carrots on the side. Time to try it. Let's see. Oh, that's so yummy. Yeah, that's really good. I like that. A little bit of sweet. I love it. So there you go. Another fun adventure in the kitchen. I hope you guys had fun, because I know that I did. I look forward to seeing you next time. Okay? Bye.